पिताजी कहा करते थे, घर दीवारों से नहीं, दिल से बनता है। घर वह है जहां परिवार की रूह बसती है। हर घर पिछली पीढ़ियों की यादों को संजोए आगे बढ़ता है। यही तो हमने बनाया है हमेशा, सिर्फ घर नहीं बल्कि पीढ़ियों की विरासत।
More than 70 years ago, one man lit a fire. Not just to melt steel, but to forge the faith that holds a nation together. What began as a humble vision soon grew into a foundation for thousands of homes and dreams. From those modest beginnings, SRMB has risen into being one of India's leading primary steel producers. Today, the SRMB Parivar stands tall, a 3,000 crore company, strong as steel, steady as foundation, supporting thousands of lives and building countless futures.
सच्चा चैंपियन वही जिसकी पकड़ उम्मीदों को थामे।
सच्चा चैंपियन वही जो हर चैलेंज के छक्के छुड़ा दे।
सच्चा चैंपियन वही जो आने वाली पीढ़ियों की नींव गढ़े।
Champions, they don't just play the game. They build what will outlast them. And that's what SRMB has always been about. Licensed by CRM Belgium for the renowned Temcore cooling technology, we forge TMT bars that endure up to FE 700 and S grades, marrying strength with ductility. Every beam, every bar we make is not just a product, but a promise to those who build the world around us.
At SRMB, we believe in quality first. Our products are made with expertise and care, so it can support us in everything we aspire to build. In our plant, in our lab, in everything we do, our focus is only one, to make our product of champion quality, always reliable.
Take our patented Wind Grip rib design. It's not just steel anymore. Each bar grips concrete like a steady hand, holding on firmly to make buildings safer and stronger for tomorrow. And we didn't just stop there. With Real Edge, we turned steel into artistry for grills. And with Real Edge Galva, we gave people something rare, the strength of steel and the shine of gold. From being CTD pioneers to now low alloy steel TMT bar innovators. Innovation isn't just about making steel better. It's about reimagining what steel can be.
At SRMB, we are moving ahead with a digital edge. Our every process, every decision, every step is guided by technology, making SRMB truly future ready. Our vision is very simple. We want to be amongst the first choice of steel manufacturers in the world, while we do not lose the sight of our responsibility towards society at large and sustainability towards environment.
Steel comes from nature, and with steel, we continue to build the future.
Our new headquarters, SRMB Pinnacle, is built on the idea of sustainability. It is a symbol of what we believe in, innovation and collaboration.
At SRMB House, we're building more than just an office. We are shaping a collaborative, future-ready space where ideas flow freely and challenges are solved together. It's where creativity sparks, teamwork deepens, and innovation finds its natural home.
हमारा प्रयास केवल निर्माण तक सीमित नहीं है। हमारा उद्देश्य है स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा, पर्यावरण रक्षा, एक समग्र समाज के गठन में सहयोग।
From the dealers who believe, to the engineers and workers who dream, to every family that trusts our name, our real power lies in connection.
For over 7 decades, SRMB has been a part of nation building. What makes this journey truly special is that it's not just about the structures we have helped to create, but about the lives we have touched along the way.
Travel anywhere in India, from ports to bridges, you'll see SRMB shaping the nation.
From metros to power plants, SRMB steel is everywhere.
From classroom to the hospital, SRMB has covered all over.
Every span of steel tells a story of ambition, endurance, and belonging. From the hum of the metro to the calm of a hospital wall, our steel carries the very heartbeat of this nation.
ताकत सिर्फ स्टील में नहीं होती है, भरोसे में होती है। SRMB ने यह भरोसा बरसों से कमाया है।
SRMB सिर्फ स्टील नहीं बनाता, सबका साथ देता है। इंजीनियर हो, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर हो या परिवार, जैसे एक लीडर अपने टीम का साथ देता है।
यही तो है असली पार्टनरशिप, जो लोगों को जोड़े, वैसे ही जैसे क्रिकेट पूरे देश को जोड़ता है।
Because what we truly build is not just strength, but solidarity. A partnership that unites hearts and a trust that holds everything together.
As the future is exciting, now we are ready for the next big step. More factories, new markets, and strong partnerships. We envisage to quadruple our turnover in next 5 years. We plan to carry our promise and trust to every part of India and also to the world.
From one man's fire to a nation's foundation, the journey continues. Built on strength, carried by trust, and guided by a single belief.
हर घर की ताकत अब पूरे देश की ताकत।
हर घर की नींव अब पूरे देश की नींव।
हर घर के सपने अब पूरे देश के सपने।
आओ बनाए नया हिंदुस्तान।
आओ बनाए नया हिंदुस्तान।
आओ बनाए नया हिंदुस्तान।
आओ बनाए नया हिंदुस्तान।